it does sound nice. So unfortunately I wasn't there when the car got dropped off, but as you can see from the damage, we've got the bonnet, the front bumper, the crash bar looks okay. We won't know until we take off the front bumper, but the radiator is totally gone. Headlights look okay, the wings a bit dented, and then we walk around the car. There's a there's a few dents on the rear quarter panel, as you can see, and then the rear bumper is needs replacing as well. Someone's gone into the back of this. You can see it here, and the right tail light needs replacing as well. But yeah, I wasn't there when it got dropped off, but this is the video that was taken. This whole side is okay. So everyone, as you know, we've got a new project. It's on the way. I just wanted to give you a little update on the Mini. So the Mini's down there, tucked away nicely. We should be able to get that finished in the next 2 months, really. I've not really had a chance to even look at it, but you can go back on the previous video and have a look at the Mini. The S5, so update, started taking the front apart because it needed a new rad pack, and me not knowingly I bought a rad pack for a manual while this is an automatic, and I've got cooler lines that don't go anywhere. So big problem. I need to order a different radiator for this one to actually fit because it's an automatic. But here's what it looks like underneath the wrap, because the car was wrapped. It's like a silverish blue, kind of. There you go. It's yeah, it's not a bad colour, but yeah, Nardo grey looks better. The bonnet's already been painted by me, and let me tell you something. So anyone that's wondering if to get the car wrapped or if to get their car painted, I'll show you a quick difference. So with a wrap, whatever you do, you're gonna get orange peel on the wrap. Can you see them little bumps? I don't know if you can see through the camera, but you're gonna get orange peel on the wrap always. No matter what wrap it is, you're always gonna come through. Plus, with wrap, if you get poor installers like these guys I've done before, they've cut on the car, and as you can see, they've tried to join the wrap here and then go down that way. But if you look at the bonnet, it's just glass. It's nice, it can always be polished out. But so here's the update. Get it running, and then we can get it in the booth and we can start painting it. I've already done the front bumper, I've done the boot, done the bonnet, everything, and just the rest of the car to finish off, and it will look nice. So this morning the new radiator came. I'll show you. So these are the two entrances for the cooler lines from the transmission that I was actually missing because I got the wrong one. So we'll fit them, and then we'll fit the radiator, and then we'll see what it sounds like. So after an hour or two, the radiator, there you go, brand new. So coolant's been all, and we can start the car. Even though the outside is not looking too good, the inside is actually really nice of this car. Probably why we bought it as well. But so we'll start the car. Yeah, the exhaust does sound a bit, well, standard really, but wait till we put the one that we've got in the back on. It'll sound like a totally different car. But it was running for a bit, so I can, there you go, it's up to temperature. All the lights on the dash, we've not cleared it yet, but other than that, it's really nice. I've had quite a few of these, and I've always liked them, especially with the V8. But have a listen to the thing. It does sound nice. It does sound nice. I really like the V8s in these. They don't make them anymore, so it is a bonus. But car runs, drives, next step, take the whole wrap off, and we'll be ready for the repaint. So make sure you follow, and you can be part of the journey as well. I've had a few parts arrive for the front bumper. So I've had the side grill mesh arrive, because obviously that wasn't part of the bumper when I actually got it. So these will be going on. I've got the grill, so that's it. The bumper's complete. We just need to paint it, and then it can all go together. But other than that, we have painted the boot, the rear bumper, and the bonnet. So we can just get the car in, get the body sprayed, and fit these in, and then it's mostly ready. We're just going to sand them out, wet sand them now, take out any imperfections out the clear coat, and then polish it, and then it's ready to go. So we're jumping straight in. We're going to clear coat a little bit, take all the imperfections off. We're jumping straight to 3000 wet sandpaper, and after that we'll just polish it out. So we've just finished polishing the hood after a few passes. Here's how it turned out. I don't know if the camera does this any justice, but I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. But the orange peel's gone in it. So now all we have to do is repeat the process on the other two bits. So it's a lot of labour that goes into this, a lot of hours, but the effect will be worth the end. We could have wrapped it, but it's not as nice as painting it, and then you don't have to worry about the wrap coming off a few years down the line. But so we're on to the next ones.